session we are going to learn how to divide decimal number. The basic rule of division of decimal number is that a point is shifted towards the left side of the decimal digits. In division, point shifted towards the left side of the decimal digits. So let's look at some examples of division. Here 0.35 is divided by 5. So first basic step is to remove the decimal. So it becomes 35 upon 5, and in numerator after decimal there are 2 digits. So multiply it by 100 because 100 has 2 zeros. Here 2 digits and here is 2 zeros. So in this way we can remove the decimal. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. So we got 7 into 1 upon 100. So multiply numerator with numerator, we got 7 upon 100. Now after dividing this 7 upon 100, the decimal is here. We can write 7 as 7.0. As I told you earlier, the decimal shifted towards the left side of the decimal digits. So here is 20. So this decimal is shifted 2 digits to the left hand sides of the decimal digit. In this way the answer is 0.07. Understand? Let's take another example. Here is 651.2 divided by 4. So first step is to remove the decimal. So it becomes 6512 divided by 4, and after decimal there is 1 digit, so it is multiplied by 10. Here 1 digit, so here is 1 0. So now next step is to divide this by 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16. So we got that value 1628 divided by 10. So here is one value, the decimal is in last. You can write here as like that. So decimal shifted 1 digits to the left hand side. So answer is 162.8. Hope you understand this. Let's move towards the next question. The next question is 272.23 divided by 10. So here is 10. So this decimal shifted left side 1 digits. So answer is 27.223. Similarly, here 0.56 is divided by 10. Here is 10. So decimal shifted 1 digit to the left side. So it becomes 0.056. Hope you understand. Similarly, here is also 3.97 divided by 10. So this decimal shifted 1 digit left because here is 10. So it shifted 1 digit left hand side to the digit. So answer becomes 0.39 7. Here is 23.6 is divided by 100. So in 100 there are 2 digits. So this decimal shifted 2 digits left hand side. So answer becomes 0.236. Here 98.53 is divided by 100. In 100 there is 2 digits, so decimal shifted 2 digit left hand side. So answer becomes 0.9853. In same method we will divide it by 1000 also. So 38.53 divided by 1000. So here decimal is shifted 3 digits. So here is only 2 digits. So we can put 0 here, 3 digits to the left hand side of the number. So 0.03853 is the answer. Let's move towards next question. 128.9 divided by 1000. So here is 30. So this decimal is shifted 3 digits to the left hand side. So 0.1289 is the answer. In same way, 0.5 is divided by 1000. So this decimal shifted 3 digits to the left hand side. So answer becomes 0.0005. Hope you understand. Now our next question is 30.94 divided by 0.7. In this division, the first basic step is to remove the decimal first. So 3094, it becomes 3094 and it becomes 7. Here in numerator after decimal there are 2 digits. So put 20 here. Here in denominator only 1 digit is there. So in numerator put 10 here. This 0 and this 0 is cancelled. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28 and 7 twos are 40. So 442 upon 10. Here is 10. So decimal is here. Is shifted 1 digit to the left hand side. So answer is 44.2. Understood? In same way, 0.5 is divided by 0.25. So our first step is to cancel the decimal. So it becomes 5 upon 25. Here in numerator after decimal there is 1 digit. So here denominator becomes 10. And here in denominator after decimal there are 2 digits. So here in numerator it becomes 100. Cancel this 0 by this. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. And 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So answer is 2. Hope you understand. Let's move towards next question. 7.75 divided by 0.25. So first step is to cancellation of decimal. So we can cancel the decimal. Here in numerator after decimal there are 2 digits, so put two zeros here in denominator, and in denominator there is 2 decimal, there are 2 decimals, so put 2 zeros in numerator here. This 100 is cancelled with this 100. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, and 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So answer is 31 upon 5. 5 6 are 30 and 5 2s are 10. Hope you understand this question. So here answer is 31. So let's move towards next question. A vehicle cover a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter. So how much distance will it cover in 1 liter petrol? So asking about petrol, so we can take petrol first. In 2.4 liters of petrol, the vehicle covers distance is equal to 43.2 kilometer. Therefore, in 1 liter petrol the vehicle covers distance is equal to 43.2 divided by 2.4. So first step is to remove or cancellation of decimal. So after decimal 1 digit, so it becomes 10 in numerator as well as denominator, and from 10 to 10 it is cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20 and 2 8s are 16, 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. So in 1 liter of petrol, vehicle covers distance of 18 kilometer. So this is the end of the exercise 2.7, in which how we learn how to divide the decimal, one decimal with other decimal. Hope you understand well.